The ratio between two numbers is given as 4:11 and their difference is 126. Find out the smaller of the two numbers. Let's assume that A and B are those two numbers and it's been given that the ratio between the two numbers is 4:11. Now in order to find out the two original numbers, we'll have to definitely multiply these two ratios by a constant factor, right? So we can assume that a constant factor A is going to be multiplied with these two ratios in order to get the original numbers. So let's see what's going to happen. So A multiplied by 4 will give us the original number as 4A. A multiplied by 11 is going to give us the second original number as 11A, right? Now it's been given that the difference between the two numbers is 126, right? So 4A and 11A have a difference of 126, and that is going to be 7A is equivalent to 126, which means what is A? 7 and 126 can be simplified as 18. So the constant multiplication factor which is involved in this question is 18, right? Now the question is to find out the smaller number. Now observe the two ratio parts. It's very clear that the first number is the smaller number, right? So 4A is the first number. So 4 multiplied by 18, which is going to be 72, right? So the smaller of the two numbers is 72. That's it. The same question can also be done in a different smarter way, and let's try that way. It's given that the ratio between two numbers is 4:11 and also the difference between the two numbers is 126, right? Now, what does this 4:11 means? The first number will have 4 parts in it and the second number will be having 11 parts in it, right? What is the difference between them in terms of ratios parts? 7, right? Can we assume that this 7 part difference is what is given in the question as 126? So 7 part difference is 126 means what is going to be the value of 1 part? Very simple. 126 divided by 7 and that is going to be 18, right? So 1 part's value is 18 and we are in need of finding the smaller of the two numbers, right? And it's very clear that the first term is the smaller term. And how many parts does that have? 4 parts. If 1 part is 18, what will be the value of 4 parts? 4 times 18, that is going to be 72. So the smaller of the two numbers value is going to be 72, right?